Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 170th day of the year and there are 195 days left. And boy is it hot outside. So it's a good thing the library has some really awesome programs for the next couple of weeks that you can come inside and enjoy them in the cool. Now on June 19th, which is today, there's going to be a video that is on how to make seashell headbands. Miss Rosa is going to show you how, and she'll do this in English and in Spanish. Here's one of them that she made. Isn't it cute? It's like a crown. And then there's this one. So all the materials will be in a packet available at the circulation desk that you can come in and pick up and then watch the video, and you guys can be creative with your headbands. And then on June 26th, there's another video, and it's Take a Break with Lyndall. And in this video, she's going to talk to you about how happiness affects your health. She's also going to have a beach-themed guided imagery, which if you like the beach and the ocean, it's really going to be calming, which I can't wait to watch. Okay, then in the children's department on Wednesday at 10 a.m. in the community room, this is going to be in person, on June 22nd, we're going to have Marshall Mitchell Clean Water Rangers Head Downstream music show. And this is all about taking care of your waterways. And then on June 29th, another in-person program is Aaron Fowler and his two dogs, Coco and Bella. And he's going to have Climb on Board the Boat. And it's music also. So that should be fun, especially with his two dogs. I'd like to see what they're going to do. Maybe they'll dance. I don't know. Okay, then moving on to the teen department. On Mondays is their DIY programs, and on the 20th, they're going to have seashell painting, and on the 27th, sand art. Now, these programs are from 6 to 8 in the community room. Then on Thursday from 6 to 8 in the community room, they're going to have an escape room. So if you're good at puzzles and things like that, come. I bet this one's going to be really fun. And then on the 30th is Ocean Trivia Night. So now, in closing, I bet you've wondered why I had sunglasses. Well, June 27th is Sunglasses Day. And the first day of summer is June 21st. And with it so hot outside, you want to protect those old eyeballs from sun's rays. So get your sunglasses out every time you go outside. Now, links to register for all these programs are going to be in the description of the video. And remember, we're closed Sunday, July 3rd and Monday, July 4th. So until next time, stay safe, and I hope you have a wonderful next couple of weeks. Bye.